To quickly and easily adjust a clip's length while keeping your timeline snug, check out the Ripple Edit tool. Click and hold on this icon in your toolbar and select the Ripple Edit tool. To adjust the end length of a clip, move your cursor over to the right side of the clip until your icon turns yellow. Then click and drag to the right to extend the clip and watch how it will move your entire sequence to accommodate. You can also add to the beginning of the clip by going to the left side and dragging left. You can also make a ripple edit while using the selection tool by moving to the beginning or end of a clip and holding Command or Control. The icon will turn yellow and you can instantly make a ripple edit. Easy, simple, and clean. See you in the next video.